Are you stuck in a Webex meeting with no way out? Maybe the host ended the call and you're just sitting there staring at a blank screen, not sure what to do. You are not alone. I can show you the one-click trick to leave instantly, even on a free account. First, we are going to sign in and join a meeting. Then I will show you the exact button to click and what happens next after you hit it. All right, let's get started. The first step is signing into your Webex account.
Head over to the Webex website and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free right there on the login page. Simple stuff. Once you are in, you will see your dashboard with options to join a meeting or start one of your own. That is your home base. Now that you are signed in, let us join or start a meeting. If someone else invited you, just click the meeting link from your email or calendar invite and it will open right up in the app or your browser.
If you are the host, look for the big green or blue button that says Start next to your personal room. Click that and the meeting launches. Either way, you are now inside the meeting window. During the meeting, you need to locate the End Meeting button. Look at the bottom toolbar along the bottom of your screen. You will see options like mute your microphone, turn off your camera, and share your screen. Way over on the right side, you will find a red phone icon. That is the one. It looks like an old telephone handset hanging up.
That red phone is your escape button. And here is the really important part. Now, click that End Meeting button. Just a single click on that red phone icon. On most accounts, this is all it takes. You do not need to hunt around in menus or confirm anything else. Click it and you are done. So watch what happens after you click. Webex will immediately end your meeting and exit the meeting window. The screen will close and you will be back at your dashboard or your desktop. No waiting around, no extra pop-ups. It is that fast. Then you will have successfully left your Webex meeting. You will see the meeting window is gone. You are back to a clean screen. You can go ahead and close the browser tab or the app if you want, but honestly, you have already done it. You are out. Now, pay attention to this one because it catches a lot of people. On a free Webex host account, clicking the End Meeting button may end the meeting immediately without displaying a confirmation message. That means no "Are you sure?" pop-up. It just ends right then and there. I have tested this myself, so if you are using a free account and you want to give people a heads up before you bail, you might want to say something in the chat first. Otherwise, one click and everyone is gone. Let's quickly recap the steps. Sign into Webex, join or start a meeting, find the red phone icon on the bottom toolbar, and click it. That's it. You go from being trapped in a meeting to confidently exiting in under a second. Knowing exactly what to expect makes all the difference. And that is how you leave a meeting in Webex. Now you can jump into your next call without any anxiety about getting stuck. Thanks for hanging out with me, and happy meeting hopping.